Do you feel like money is always slipping through your fingers, no matter how hard you work? What if there was a way to break free from that cycle and start building real wealth? The good news is that it's possible, and it all comes down to a few key principles. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 most important money rules that everyone should follow if they want to achieve financial freedom. These rules aren't about luck. They're simple, powerful habits that anyone can adopt. Let's get started. Rule 1. Get on a budget. The first rule to building wealth is simple, but it's something many people ignore. Get on a budget. A budget is basically a written plan for how you're going to manage your money each month. Without a budget, your money will slip through your fingers, and before you know it, you'll be wondering where it all went. The key here is to plan your spending before the month begins. This will give you control over your money, and you'll know exactly where every dollar is going. Imagine trying to build a house without blueprints. Chaos, right? Well, your finances are the same. A budget acts as your blueprint, guiding you toward your financial goals. By sticking to it, you're more likely to meet your savings targets, avoid impulse purchases, and most importantly, stay out of debt. You can start small and work your way up, tracking your expenses and saving for bigger goals like an emergency fund or retirement. Getting started with a budget is simple. You can use a yellow pad, an online tool, or apps like EveryDollar to create a budget. Make the decision today to take control of your finances, because if you keep doing what you've been doing, you'll keep getting what you've been getting. And trust me, when you look back, you'll be amazed at how far budgeting can take you in just a short time. Rule 2, get out of debt. Now, let's talk about something that weighs many people down: debt. Debt is like a heavy chain that holds you back from achieving financial freedom. When you borrow money, you're essentially giving away your future income to pay it back, plus interest. This is why it's so important to get out of debt as soon as possible. Debt steals your future and limits your ability to build wealth. The more you owe, the harder it is to move forward with your financial goals. Have you ever thought about how much money you're actually spending on car loans, credit cards, or student loans? Here's a shocking thought. If you took the average car payment of $500 a month and invested it over 40 years, you could end up with over $5.6 million. So, when you keep paying off that car loan, who gets richer? It's not you, it's the car manufacturer or the lender, and they're getting your hard-earned money. If you want to start building wealth, you must stop borrowing. The first step is simple: stop borrowing money. Cut up your credit cards and commit to not using them again. You can do this. It's all about making that decision today to live a debt-free life. Once you get out of debt, you'll free up so much of your income to start saving and investing. That's the real power. Imagine having 0 payments. Think of all the possibilities with that extra cash. When you break free from debt, it's like unlocking a new level of financial freedom. Rule 3. Foster high-quality relationships. Now, this might sound like an odd rule when it comes to money, but it's extremely important. Surround yourself with high-quality, positive people. The people you hang around with have a huge impact on your financial success. You become who you spend your time with. If you're constantly hanging out with people who have poor money habits, guess what? You're likely to adopt those same habits. Your closest friends and family can either push you toward success or hold you back. So make sure your circle reflects the financial mindset you want to have. You've probably heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, that's true when it comes to your financial life as well. If your closest friends are always spending money on things they don't need or living paycheck to paycheck, it's easy to get caught up in those habits. But when you surround yourself with people who have strong financial habits, those who save, invest, and make smart decisions, you're more likely to do the same. It's not about judging others, but about choosing your inner circle wisely. Building relationships with people who inspire you to grow, succeed, and be financially responsible is one of the best decisions you can make. The truth is, your income will often mirror the average income of your closest friends. If they're growing and succeeding, you're more likely to do the same. So, start making better choices about the people you spend time with. Build relationships with people who inspire you to do better and achieve more. The right relationships can push you toward your goals and help you stay motivated, even when things get tough. Rule 4. Save and invest. The fourth rule to building wealth is all about saving and investing. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to have a plan for saving money and putting it to work for you. Saving is important because it creates a safety net for you and your family. Whether it's for emergencies or future opportunities, having savings gives you peace of mind. The importance of saving cannot be overstated, because without savings, it's hard to weather life's storms. But saving alone won't make you wealthy. You also need to invest your money so it can grow over time. Think of investing as planting seeds. The money you invest today has the potential to grow into something much larger in the future. Just as farmers plant seeds and nurture them to bear fruit, your money, when invested properly, can bear the fruit of financial security. One of the best ways to start investing is by using retirement accounts such as a 401k or an IRA. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, which is a huge advantage. And don't forget about compound interest. It's like your money is working for you even while you sleep. As the proverb says, "In the house of the wise are stores of choice food and oil." This means that wise people save and invest for the future. If you spend everything you make, you're not being wise. You're setting yourself up for a future where you'll be relying on others to take care of you. So, save for emergencies, invest for retirement, and always make sure you're putting your money in places where it can grow. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. This is why it's so important to start today. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Rule 5. Be generous. The last rule is all about generosity. While money can buy things, it also has the power to change lives. Being generous with your money doesn't mean you have to give away everything you have. It means being willing to share what you have with others, whether it's through donations, helping a friend, or supporting a cause you care about. Generosity isn't just about transferring funds from your pocket to someone else's. It's a mindset, a spirit that can change your life and the lives of those around you. Generous people are often happier and more fulfilled. They are the ones who help others, whether it's picking up groceries when someone's in need or leaving a big tip at a restaurant. Generosity is a spirit that comes from within. When you're generous, you show the world that you care about others, and in turn, that positive energy will come back to you. It's tough to be generous if you're broke or in debt. That's why it's important to follow the previous rules. Get on a budget, get out of debt, save, and invest so that you can be in a position where you're able to give back. Generosity isn't just about giving money. It's about having a positive impact on those around you. Whether it's time, resources, or even a smile, generous people make the world a better place. Being generous also improves your personal relationships, as people will be drawn to your kind and giving nature. When you're generous, you become a magnet for positive energy and success. These 5 rules are simple, but they are powerful. They've worked for countless people who have gone from struggling financially to building real wealth over time. The key is to start today. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment, because there's no such thing. Change your mindset, change your habits, and start taking control of your finances now. You'll be amazed at the progress you can make in just a few years by following these principles. The road to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. But with these rules in place, you'll be building wealth step by step and reaching your goals one day at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Scale Smarter YouTube channel. Also, comment below with the money rule you think is the most important for financial success. Take charge of your money today and change your life.